We wanted to do something good and helpful with our time. Helping people is such a satisfying thing to do, and it's really, we almost look at it more as a benefit to us than to them, because it brings so much joy to our lives to be able to help.
Our brothers and sisters are in need, so we come running. You know, we can send money, but nobody's there to hang up and do anything with the materials they get bought. So they have a need for people to help out, and that's what we're here for.
All of this has been donated. This though looks like came from a thrift store, maybe. But we're working on getting absolutely new furniture.